be saying very much. Really. That's difficult for me to not be saying a lot. My girl has decided to just rest up there as she is, just chilling. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to get up pretty close and personal to my Lily girl, just so you can see just how beautiful that she is. I want this to focus. I'm going to have to go out a bit and then in. There she is. Now Lily doesn't stay still very often, so while she is, I figure why not get up close so you can see that beautiful face that she has. Excuse the water running in the background there. She'll let me get pretty close, even though she's head shy. I think Lily is very, very used to a camera being pretty much in her face a lot. But that's my girl. And very much my girl, Lily is. And has shown that many, many, many times, how attached she is to me. And I said I wouldn't talk very much, but I will tell you, a brief story, and I've probably said it before, but I was in hospital overnight, and I elected to only stay in the one night because pretty much of my snakes, I must say, I was worried about them. And Lily, she knew something was up. Pretty much, within that 10 minutes of leaving home, she knew I wasn't coming home and started acting out. And when I got home the next day, Taylor was a right mess actually, because she knew that Lily was, and I have never seen a snake jump out of that. I opened up the door, I could see her at the door, and I opened up the door and she came, flying up around my shoulders, and we all know Lily doesn't do that. She comes out and she's pretty chilled and she just heads on up here, but no, she was not doing it that day. And she wrapped herself around me and she did not let go of me for a good hour. I sat with Lily wrapped around me, and that told me a lot that day. I learnt a lot that day. I already felt that they felt things and emotions, and that they did bond with us, the person that cares for them and loves them and shows that they love them. I already knew that. I did not know to what extent though until that day. And then I realized it's an enormous trust and bond and relationship that you can have. Now, Lily wasn't my first snake in my life. Jack and Lacey were. And when Lily came to me, she'd been a rejected snake, you could say. The person that had her did not connect with her, felt he did not really like her that much. And you know, I felt really sorry for Lily. And so I went double time on letting her know that I loved her. And I wanted to spend time with her, and I wanted to be with her. And what I ended up with is this: a truly amazing girl. And I'm not saying that because she's mine. I'm not saying that because it's me and her. I'm saying that just because it's her. And what really they're so capable of, guys. They are extremely capable of really bonding with you. And now I worry a little bit now if I'm away or ever have to be away from her for any extended period of time. But you know, let's hope that that doesn't happen. And I'm trying very hard to get Noah and her to form a relationship with each other too, so that if for any reason I'm not here and I'm not able to get her out, that Noah will be able to do it for her and lessen the stress of me not being around. So just a little short video, really, for me it is, of my girl. And if my camera will focus, and some close-up of Lily. By standards, when people look at her, you know, that are into the breeding and the colours and so forth and patterns, Lily is not one of the beautifuls at all. She's quite plain and average, not what somebody would want to breed with, but I think she is absolutely gorgeous. So take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes, and of course all your animals. Ciao.